Hello guys, hope all you are doing well. In this video, I will teach you how to remove status bar and action bar from our Android application. For default, we have status bar and action bar like this in our application. This is action bar and this is status bar. And in some application, we need to remove this action bar and status bar from our application like in splash activity or any other activity. Okay, let's learn how to remove this action bar and status bar from our Android application. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel by clicking on this subscribe button and click on this notification icon to get notification about the latest video. I upload video related to Android development, coding, etc. Open Android Studio. Go to File, click on New Project. Choose activity, give name as your choice and click on Finish. I have already created one activity. Here is the main activity, here is our activity main, and here is our Android manifest. Okay, to remove status bar, we have only 2 lines of code. Let's do that. Okay, before set content view, let's write request window feature window dot feature no title, then this dot get window dot set flag window manager dot layout param dot flag full screen. Then we need to pass this window manager dot layout params dot flag full screen. Okay, these 2 lines of code hide the status bar from our Android application. To remove action bar from our application, we have 2 methods. If we want to remove action bar from only one activity, you can write get supportable action bar dot hide. Okay, this will remove action bar from this activity only. And if you want to remove action bar from all the activity in your application, you need to go to values, then click on theme. Then here you can choose theme.material component daylight dot no action bar. This will remove action bar from all of our activity. For now, I want to remove action bar from only one activity, so I don't use this. You can use any of these 2 methods as your choice. Okay, let's run our application and see. Okay, here is our activity and we don't have here action bar and status bar. If you drag down, you can see the status bar. Okay, by this way you can remove status bar and action bar from your Android application. If you find this video helpful, please click on like button. If you have any query, please comment down below and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.